I'm showing you a video of a Lego model of a magnetic boat, and the magnets are these neodymium magnets, and the motor is here in battery pack, and it's on a styrofoam disc. And as the motor turns the gear, it rotates the rotor, and when the rotor rotates, which you may watch, the Earth's magnetic field makes the boat turn just like a compass. Now, the principle this works on is that because the weight of the motor and the batteries is removed a distance from the center of the rotation of the magnets that are forced to rotate from Earth's magnetic field, the boat will have a tendency to move in one linear direction. So let me put a marker here, and you can see that if we make that just so it's over the motor, and we'll try this out going real slow from side to side. And if you're patient, you'll see it move a few inches. And that's about the size of it. So let's just watch, and I'll keep turning. Now I'm going to turn the other way. And there's just a sweet spot where if you hit it just right, it will move quite a bit when it gets to the point where the magnet points north. North is to the left here. And when the magnet points north, the boat will move quite a bit in a line. So one problem we have is that the boat is constantly moving closer to one of the walls on the side of this tank. This tank is a storage container made out of some kind of plastic. And also I had a static electricity problem with the foam disc. And I solved that by rubbing the foam disc against some styrofoam, against some aluminum foil that was attached to a doorknob, and also putting a ground in the water attached to an outlet, an electrical outlet, to the screw that holds the cover on. Now, what I've noticed is it doesn't seem to go faster when you rotate the magnets faster. I suppose you would think it might do that because of Lenz's law or some principle where moving magnets attract and repel with more force, or even just basic rules of Faraday with the magnets traveling through a magnetic field. Now it doesn't seem to be working real well here, but I'm going to try for another minute. And actually what it seems to be doing to me is actually going south, which is to the right. Now you've probably seen in earlier videos that I've done where I make it rotate continuously and the boat will reach a point where it's pointing pretty much north and south. And it will shake back and forth as the magnet rotates. Now these are very powerful magnets, and they will move a compass at a range of about 4 feet. These are mostly half-inch diameter by a quarter-inch neodymium magnets. N42 is what they're called. So you can see it's moved a little south. Not what I intended, but still makes the point. Thank you for watching.